turkey is one of the most famous birds in North America. Ferrets sleep around 20 hours a day. A lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away. Cows can sleep standing up, but they can only dream laying down. Squirrels forget where they hide about half of their nuts. Bullfrogs do not sleep. An eagle can kill a young deer and fly away with it. Hares are born with fur and can see, whilst rabbits are born naked and blind. A baby spider is called a spiderling. Catfish are the only animals that naturally have an odd number of whiskers.